I'm Joe Corcoran, and I'm the inventor of Wristruments. My team and I have been working tirelessly over the past year to create the world's first truly hands-free learning experience that teaches you to play the guitar without ever having to take your hands or eyes off of what you're doing. Instead of trying to put the power of Wristruments into words, we are going to show you some real reactions of people from all walks of life using Wristruments for the first time. So now hit play, and that's going to kind of show you how the interface Before works. We get started, ground your feet and sit with your back straight up.
Cool.
Welcome to Wristruments.
Take one.
You're about to experience a revolutionary way to learn that's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Its intuitive interface lines up with your actual guitar to make learning more fun, easy, and convenient than ever before, because you never have to take your eyes or hands off of what you're doing.
Does it come on the speakers like over there like everything else? Nice.
You can play better when you're relaxed, so it's important to take your time and make sure you're not holding on to any extra tension in your body.
I've never touched a smartwatch. I don't even have a smartwatch.
I do know how to use a smartwatch, but this is my first time actually using the guitar.
I've never played the guitar before.
John Mayer, what is that?
What the high? Basically, any of those notes in any order, and they're gonna sound good.
That's pretty in tune. It tells you the perfect spot for that. Whoa. Dude, this is genius.
Wristruments lets you learn while you play, so you never get bored or give up. Every time you pick up your guitar, you play something new and become a better musician.
This is pretty innovative so far already.
This is cool. It is.
Wristruments is for all skill levels.
What do you call it? Fret?
Fret.
Yeah.
Whether you're just starting out,
And this is the top of the guitar?
the top string, an experienced musician, or even a guitar teacher, Wristruments is made for everyone. Once you learn just a few things, you can play almost anything. With Wristruments, anybody truly can be a musician.
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I gotta hit that. Hold on. I think I'm rocking.
It's never been so easy to express yourself through music.
And you can go up the fretboard? Yeah! Wow!
The fretboard lines up with your actual guitar, so your playing never gets stale. Wristruments is your song library, sheet music, metronome, and tuner in one tiny device.
This might, I don't want to speak too out of turn here, but this might revolutionize the way people start to learn guitar. How many styles you got on there? You got quite a few on here.
Yeah, I just got into it. That was fun.
I feel like that would help you come up with a lot of different ideas.
If I had this when I was growing up, I would be 2 years ahead of where I was.
It's dope. It's really cool, man.
Wristruments brings the instant gratification that often comes from using social media to activities that are actually going to improve you as a person and help make the world a better place.
That could be standard practice with learning. The possibilities are virtually endless.
The way we use smartwatches is about to change. The way we play guitar is about to change. And the way we learn is about to change forever. With the future of our education system on the line, now is the time to bring this revolutionary learning tool to the world, and we need your help. We have been able to achieve a lot on our own, but we are not some huge corporation. We are a team of passionate artists, entrepreneurs, and teachers from all across the world who believe we can make the world a better place through technology, education, and music. Please take a moment to check out Wristruments on Kickstarter and help us share this important message with the
If you want to
world.
learn how to do this, check out Wristruments on Kickstarter. You will enjoy it. This is a good time. I'm glad I got invited to do this.
Wristruments coming to Kickstarter soon.
Make sure you guys check out Wristruments on Kickstarter. I don't want to curse and, all right. Make sure you check out Wristruments on Kickstarter. This whole project is crazy. I promise you guys are going to love it.